Good day everybody, welcome once again to Flickr Brain. And if you're interested in learning everything regarding Google AdSense loading, you can quickly come over here and subscribe so that whenever I drop a video on this channel, you will get notified. And today's video, I'm going to make an update on this video I made 11 days ago and the video I made 5 days ago. These accounts and all the accounts I posted that last week have gotten paid on the 21st, but due to I didn't have chance, that was why I didn't make a video to show you guys the payments that was received. Okay, so far you can see what we have done so far on that account this month. You can see that this account has received like $13,000 already, and you can see what was summed up for today's work. And this particular AdSense account, you can see the amount of traffic I'm pushing in this particular AdSense account. This is more of automation. I think it's the other AdSense account I mix with arbitrage. This is more of automation work on this account. You can also see the CTR. You can see the amount of traffic that is coming here. And this account, I normally show you guys this account. It's received payment too on the 21st. You can see the payment that was received. You can see it over here. You can see it over here. It received payments too on this particular AdSense account. Okay, this is not even the only accounts I loaded that last month. I loaded a lot of accounts. Let me show you guys the 2 accounts I posted. Even this account, I was dropping updates on this account too while we were working on it. So this particular AdSense account also received payments too. Okay, you can see how much we have done so far this month on the account. You can even see how much we have already done so far for today on the particular AdSense account. With this account now is working with automation and arbitrage. It's more of arbitrage traffic and less of automation on this account, because of I want to grow this account hugely. Okay, so you can see the CPC here. You can see the amount of clicks that have been on the site, and you can see the amount I've made this month. This account also got paid this 21st. Let me show you guys. You can see over here that the account also got paid on the 21st of this month. Okay, you can see it over here. It also got paid. You can see it over here, got paid too. Okay, so this method is a safe strategy I work with. You can see for the both method, the results are promising so far. So if you're interested in the strategy, you can check in the link in the description box. And if you're also interested in partnership, you can also check in the link in the description box to reach out to me. All right, stay safe everybody, and see you guys in the next video.